While most measles cases are in Texas, California, Washington, Alaska, New Mexico, Kentucky, and Georgia, New York, New Jersey, and Rhode Island have also seen cases. There have not been any measles cases in Arizona yet this year, but there have been in recent years, and Arizona's vaccination rate keeps falling. 12 News journalist William Pitts looked at the numbers to see how far Arizona falls behind.
Arizona's vaccination rate continues to slide. It's not just measles, it's every required vaccine across the board. That doesn't even include COVID because COVID's not required. These are vaccines for measles, mumps, rubella, DTaP, polio. And while parents can claim a medical exemption for vaccines, far more are claiming personal belief exemptions. The state health department tracks them by school and by county.
We put the state stats under the microscope to see what they said about childhood vaccinations. Here's a chart of all kindergartners in all schools in all counties. The blue is kids that are exempt from at least one vaccine. The orange are kids that are exempt from all vaccines. Look at Yavapai County. 21% of kids have at least one exemption to one vaccine. It's even more striking when you rank them by schools. Take a look. This is a chart of the top schools with vaccine exemptions. There are 3 in the state where 100% of their kids have an exemption to at least one vaccine. In fact, you have to go down to 14 schools before you find a school where more kids are vaccinated than aren't.
In Yavapai County, remember 1 in 4 kids is not vaccinated for something. The county health department knows the numbers.
While we acknowledge the data regarding the exemption rates, we know that that's a little bit high.
Yavapai County had a measles outbreak in 2024. They traced that person from Sky Harbor all the way to the emergency room in Prescott. The county says it's working on boosting vaccinations, but can't force people.
We do respect individuals' choices. We are dedicated to ensuring that those choices are made with the most accurate and up-to-date information.
Maricopa County also had a measles outbreak in 2024, 3 patients.
We know that in order to protect our community from measles, we need about a 95% vaccination rate. And we see that the unvaccinated kids are around 10%.
Nick Staub is the assistant medical director for Maricopa County Public Health.
But there is still a lot of misinformation about the safety of vaccines, how effective they are. And we see a lot of those stories are still out there.
These are a lot of numbers, a lot of stats, but there's one more number to remember from this latest measles outbreak in Texas. According to the CDC, 95% of those kids who got sick were unvaccinated. William Pitts, 12 News.
All right, Will, thank you.